Today morning I was so happy because I know like once the Thanksgiving day was over, I always get people sometimes ping me saying that, oh, I missed that. Will there be anything coming up? With Senegens, the one thing is we as a distributors, we are their customers. So unless and until the sale starts, I will never know priorly. So today morning when I got up, I saw that this advent calendar was buy one get one free. I was jumping in joy because it's going to be so fun to gift, and also you can keep one for yourself. So this is mine, so I'm going to open with you guys and show what and all is there. That way you will know how much value it's packed with, and also it has beauty tools, it has full size product, it has minis, and it has comes with the samples too. So let's go with one by one and see what it is. So let's open the first box. That's the first one I'm going to open. I'm going to pop open. This is going to be really fun for a person who already uses what is it, like Senegens products. Or the first one is the mini glass. So here I got the sugar cookie one. So if you see, this is one of the mini glasses that came in this set. When you are buying as the ornament, here you don't have an option to buy them individually. So with this you are going to get two of them. So instead of getting all four, here you will get two of them, and you can either use it for yourself or you can even split these into gifts. So that's the first one I got. So if you know, this is like our mini size glasses. So if you see next to full size one, this will be really fun for even kids. So that's the first glass I got. On back of the advent calendar itself, you will know what it is, and it even includes all the what's the like ingredients and also the directions. So this is like more of a goldenish color, so it is like good for even kids as a lip balm. So for daytime, if they don't want to wear like what is it, like a lip balm or anything, they can just apply before going to school or even the day that are home. That way it's going to be really moisturizing. At the same time, this color will not show up much. So even it's good for you for a quick Zoom call, or even for grocery outside, and you can pretty much pair any gloss with any color. So that's the first one I got. So glosses can work on its own. So even if you have never had Lipsons, this you can gift it to someone who have it. So next one is number 2. I'm going to pop it open. So it's nothing but my favorite climate control sample, and you can see you have got 3 full samples. Similar way you will be able to split them for different people here. And also climate control is always say, if I have to choose just one skincare product from the whole line and I have to be with that, then it will be climate control. That's how good it is. It is like a get rid for your skin. Anytime when you add more moisture to your skin, you're going to stop the aging process, and it's also going to help with reducing the fine lines and wrinkles. Climate control has hyaluronic acid. If you don't know what is hyaluronic acid, it's naturally present in our skin, but it has the capability of holding 1000 percentage of molecular weight of its own. So that way it can pull all the moisture around it and seal it inside in the cellular level. And also it has our proprietary Senaplex complex in it. So this is such a fun way for you to try the product, and each of these samples should last you at least 3 to 4 uses. So that's how much you will use. So pretty much this has like more than 12 uses or something. So it's such a good one to have. So let's go over 3. That's the one I'm going to pop. I always loved having the advent calendar for my son. Anytime, you know, these days we get for even cloudy because it is like, instead of getting your routine things, it makes it fun to open every day. At the same time, it's like a portion control one. So here we have silk Silk is our pore and wrinkle minimizer. If you are using CCTM or foundation, you will use silk before that. That way it's going to give a flawless finish. But even if you are someone who doesn't use makeup, you can still use this as part of your skincare, because silk has antioxidant properties. So anyone who has breakouts or anything, this is going to help reduce that. And our products doesn't break out at all, because when it comes to primer, that is one question I always get. And these are all non-comedogenic. That means they won't clog your pores and make you break out. And silk will give you that flawless finish. As I said, if you're using as a part of your skincare, it's still going to give you a matte finish instead of a shiny finish. So that's the one. Similar way, one silk will get you minimum 6 to 7 uses. Remind me, keep that in mind, because I remember last year when I was doing some get ready with me. I didn't have silk, and I opened one sachet and I was able to use it more than a week worth of product from this packet. So that's how much you are getting value for each of them. I did 1, 2, 3. So we have got sugar cookie, we had climate control sample, and we have also got a silk sample. So those are the ones. Let's see the number 4 here. So I used to have even Lego calendars for my son, because as I said, these will be very, very small. And I used to get even the milk chocolate ones from Aldi or somewhere. So the next one, again, number 4, has lip smooth and lip balm sample. This is one of our wow products. We have 2 of them, which we call it as wow products, because the moment you use it, you will immediately find the gratification. So lip smooth is nothing but our lip exfoliator. So if you had someone who has chapped lips, dry lips, exfoliating takes away the dead skin cells. And lip is one place where it doesn't have sweat glands, so it cannot moisturize from inside out, whereas you need to put moisture from outside. So both our products doesn't have any wax buildup. So when you use the lip balm, you will see how hydrating it is. And these 2, you can even use it for your teen or your spouse. Anyone can use, because this is a clear lip balm. And again, this has a matte finish. I have customers who mentioned me like this is more than like 10 to 15 uses. So that's how much product it is. Similar way, lip smooth will be at least 5 times, and you will use only a tiny amount, gently rub it across. And all these instructions are here in the bottom after each product, so that way you can use it properly. So for example, if you see, it says gently polish into a clean bare lips before bed, wipe it off with a damp cloth, and follow with the lip balm. So that way, I always used to send the videos, but you still have everything available here. So let's go over the next one. Here is number 5. Let me pop it open. And what is your favorite advent calendar if you have ever tried? Let me know in the comments. So here it is another good one, which is our poops remover wipes. So this is a perfect way for you to, even all these, if you're traveling during Christmas days or anything, you will be able to carry them easily. Even if you're someone who already has these products, these travel size would really help to have it in hand, and you will be able to use it. The cool thing about Senegen's makeup removers are, even in makeup removing, Senegen's has added skincare in it, so that way they won't dry it or they won't make you feel a harsh or anything. So if you see, it will say even this one has our Senaplex complex. So even while removing your makeup, you are going to put anti-aging benefits to it. If you don't know what is Senaplex complex, it is our proprietary kinetic enzyme that is going to help faster cellular turnover by 23.3%. As we age, we don't get newer skin cells often as we used to do when we were young. So having that push with Senaplex complex in every single way is going to help with feeling you the complete anti-aging line. So it's there in our it's pretty much there in every single skincare, because it's proprietary to us. So that way we made sure we add it to every single product. So let's go over number 6. So 6 is at the bottom. So I'm going to open. As I was saying, anywhere whenever I go, these travel sizes really help, because that way you don't have to carry so much, and even if you are flying, this is going to really help you to travel with it, and you don't have to be bulky. Next is our beauty sponge. So here I have got the Senegen's beauty blender, we say. So if you use a CCTM or foundation, so this is going to be a really helpful tool. So the best way to use it is always squeeze it with water and take the excess water out, and then you will be able to apply the product. And the fun thing is, you can wash it similar to your brush. You will be able to clean this too. So that's the beauty tool you're going to get along with it. So that was in my 6. 7 is right next to it. So I'm going to pop open 7. And here we have another top seller of mine, which is nothing but the brightening multivitamin sample. This is a very good product if you are someone who has acne scars, hyperpigmentation, any discoloration, because this has 2 types of stabilized vitamin C in them, and it is going to be really active. So if you are first time using an active product, if you don't know, it may be little tingly. Think of you have rubbing a lemon, because it's active. That's how much it is. There are only 2 companies in the world that has activated vitamin C in them. Whoever advertise it, they don't have, because FDA doesn't regulate whether it's in production or when it reaches the customer. So only 2 of them have it active, because that way you are going to get more benefits of it. Anytime when you have vitamin C in your system, it's going to be more anti-aging, because vitamin C can repair immediately. That's why Sanaserum C is for everybody, and this is for people who has those kind of problem areas. And anytime vitamin C with hyaluronic acid is mixed, it's going to be more effective. So that way you are getting both the benefits of it. If you ask me, this sample alone, usually I buy, not for you, because I buy and give the samples. This alone is like almost $2.75 if I'm not wrong. So that's how much it's packed with value. And similar way, this one sample will last you minimum 4 to 5 uses. So use it wisely. You don't have to use the entire sample one time. Make sure you check with me and then use it. Almost there. We are we are number 8 now. So let me open that to see what I have in number 8. Oh, that's again another good one. Let me show you. Sorry, it is the oil absorption sheet. I think yesterday I showed in one of the mystery bags too. So this comes with 50 sheets. So what this does is you can have it in your handbag, and if you're someone who feels oily in your T-zone or even in your face, you will just take one of the sheets and you will be able to blot it and take the excess oil away, and you don't have, your makeup will still be intact. So it is so good. I know people are slowly starting to go to office. This is a really good one for you, or if you know someone who feels oily, you can always gift them. Similarly, this is such a good value because it comes with 50 sheets in it. So that's the next one. We just have few more. Let me open number 9. I think I will pop it open. So here I have got another mini glasses. So out of the 4, you get 2 mini glasses in there. It is either or. If you have seen my post, it can be any 2 from the 4. So here I have got the apple cinnamon and the sugar cookie. So you can see both will really look good on this color, because I already wore the color is there. It's the blue red. So here apple cinnamon is like a red gloss. So red with glitter on it. Similar way, this is gold with glitter. So both of them have a little bit of glitter to it. As I said, if you buy the ornament, you need to buy all 4. Here it is ready to be gifted. Even for example, think like this, you will be able to gift someone like this. Even your mailman or your saloonist or anybody, you can gift like this. For example, take this one, like even you can just give these two will go really well, like the Lip Smooth lip balm sample with the lip gloss. This makes a fun gift for even your a kid's friend or a teacher or anyone. So make sure you can even split them and use in multiple ways. Are in the final three, so the number 10, let me open it. My goodness, you know what is there in 10? My best seller of all time, Resurfacer. Whoever have used it, they will vouch for it. You can never find an exfoliator as good as this. This one will last you how many? I would say at least 4 uses or 6 uses. So it's only twice a week and it is like a scrub that will make you feel so good. I was talking about the WOW products. So one of them is the Lip Smooth, which is our lip exfoliator. Similar way, this is our face exfoliator. Even if you are a beginner in skincare, this is going to, the moment you use it, you will be able to touch your face and feel it, because it will make it feel so smooth and take away all the excess dead skin cells out. I always compare it with going to a parlor or something. One time you will pay like $50 or something. Here this product will, you pay $50, but it will last you 6 months to 8 months, because it's only twice a week and pretty much you and your spouse or anyone in the home can use it, and it's going to help with the other ingredient to penetrate well too. Because if you feel like your makeup is patchy, or if your skin looks dull, then it's time to exfoliate. We all constantly produce dead skin cells. Unless you take it out, your skin will start to look dull. So this is another fun sample in this one. I can't stress enough of how much value it is packed, and now you're getting buy one get one free. So it's like a no-brainer. You can gift it to anyone. So let's go over number 11. We have just number 11 and 12, and just open the 11. So here you have the Oops Remover full size free, because I think number 12 is going to have the lip sense. So here it is, has the full size product. So this itself is a $10 worth. So you already have 10, 20 and 30. So I know Oops is one that is what is the like looked down upon. I would say people always think, oh, I can remove my makeup without Oops Remover or Foops Remover. But once they try a color like this, they will always come back. They'll be like, oh my god, the color didn't go at all even after the whole evening. So make sure you grab it even if you're first timer. So this way you have everything packed. It's like a combination of skincare and lip sense for you to try, and that way the best value is packed. So Oops Remover has vitamins. So as I was saying about the skincare, Oops will not dry your lips, and you don't have to rub hard at all. You will apply, and within few seconds it's meant to break the color, so that way you can just wipe it with a warm cloth and you are good to go. So the last and final one is going to be the Lip Sense color that I am wearing today, which is nothing but blue red. So that's the shade I am wearing. It's one of my favorite. It's actually like a fire engine red. So let me open it. So again, it's a full size. So we pretty much opened everything here. So you can see it's so pretty. And here it becomes like your starter kit. Here you have one Lip Sense color with 2 lip glosses and 1 remover. And you have got the oil absorption sheet. You have got the beauty tool. And let me show the samples. So here you got the climate control sample, you have got silk sample, you have got Foops Remover, you have got the Lip Smooth and lip balm, you have got brightening sample and resurfacer. The cool thing on all of this is they all can be for anyone. that's how they packaged it so well. That way it is not for people who have acne, who have this, all those kind of stuff. That's why they didn't put like a normal to oily line, because the person who gets it may be a dry line person too. So I'm going to top the color with the apple cinnamon I got. Blue red is what is it like? It's a matte shade. So even with this, with the matte gloss will look amazing. So here I have topped it with the apple cinnamon I got, and it's going to add glitters, whereas blue red doesn't have anything. It's a matte color, so it's such a fun red for your holiday parties or your Christmas parties. And don't miss the deal. It's going to be only until it's sold out, so until stock lost. So I don't know how long this will be, because as you said, you are going to get completely the other one free, and also if you are a Kiss and Tell member, you will get additional 10% off. So that way it makes it to $61 for the whole everything whatever you get, and double it. So it's like a no-brainer for me. And on top of that, you will get the promotion I mentioned, which is the $5 that you will get to use it on January. So think of that. So you will have more value added to that, and you will also be entered into the giveaway. Oh my god, like there are so many benefits to it. So make sure you grab it, and if you have any doubts, always please feel to bring me. And you have a wonderful day.